I'm going to teach you how to add items and services and get them ready for your invoices. By the end, you'll have a clean, reusable catalog that speeds up your invoicing and keeps your records consistent. First, look at the left sidebar and click Items and Services. This section is your library of everything you bill for, whether that's physical products or the time you spend delivering work. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're on the main dashboard and that your account has permission to manage items. Next, head to the top right of the screen and click the green Create New button. This opens a fresh form where you'll decide what you're adding and enter its details. You'll be asked to choose between item and service. Pick item if you're selling a product you can count, like a box of materials or a digital download. Choose service for work you perform, such as consulting or virtual assistant tasks. Selecting the right type helps keep your reports accurate and makes your invoices easier for clients to understand. Now it's time to fill out the details. Start with a clear name that you'll recognize later. Add a short, helpful description so your client immediately understands what they're paying for. For items, include a unit price, and if applicable, a unit of measure like each, pack, or hour. For services, set your rate. This could be hourly, per session, or a flat fee, whatever matches how you bill. If your system offers optional fields like SKU, cost, or a tax toggle, use them if they're relevant to your workflow, but don't overcomplicate things. The rule of thumb is simple names, concise descriptions, and accurate pricing. That way, you won't have to edit each invoice line by line later. Before you wrap up, take a quick moment to proofread. Check the spelling, confirm the price, and make sure the type, item, or service matches what you intended. Small mistakes here can lead to confusion on invoices. When everything looks good, click Save. You'll be brought back to your list, and the new entry will appear there, ready to go. From now on, whenever you create an invoice, just add a line and start typing the name of your new item or service. Select it from the suggestions, and the description and rate you set will automatically fill in. It's that simple. If you ever need to adjust details later, you can open the item or service from this list, make your changes, and save again to keep everything up to date.